Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to secure your Facebook account in only 5 steps. So first, you just have to open your Facebook, of course, and I will be showing you 5 steps. Step 1, you need to change your password. You just have to go to your settings and privacy, and then click this Meta Account Center right here. Tap this one. Below, you have to look for password and security. So you have to scroll down here and then click this password and security, and you will see here options such as change password, two-factor authentication. So step 1 to secure your account is to change your password. Tap change password right here, and it's very important that you know your current password. Type your current password and then type your new password. Make sure that this is a strong and unique password so to avoid any hackers there. So you have to change it to a unique password and then tap change password. Step 2, you have to click this two-factor authentication, click your Facebook account, and you can choose if you want to be notified if someone wants to open your Facebook via email account or text. So for example, you want to be notified through email, so you have to check your email, enter the code, and then tap continue, and then you will be notified if someone wants to open your Facebook through email. Third is save login. If you don't want your account to be logged into a specific device, then you can disconnect. And then also same thing where you have login. If you tap that one, if you see that your account is currently logged in to an unknown device without your permission, then all you have to do is to log out there. Okay, and then number 4 is login alerts. You will be notified if you are logged into another device. If that is not you, then you will not allow this device to use your Facebook account. Fifth is recent emails. You will be also notified if someone is currently using your Facebook account. For our bonus, we have here security checkup. So you can do a security checkup right here by tapping this one. It will take you directly to this, where you can check the preview logins of your Facebook account, and you can simply log out if you think that this one is or this device is unknown to you. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you want us to create a new tutorial, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, and see you again in our next video tutorials.